Hi, my friends. Happy New Year. My family and I wish you a very blessed 2021. I've been thinking of sharing two favorite recipes with you all. During the holidays, I got more time to refine these two recipes, so now I cannot wait to share with you. The yummiest fried wontons and the best fish porridge ever. The fried shrimp wonton is a perfect side dish. Listen, so crispy, right? Today, I'm the camera gal, and my husband will be the chef for this video, because he makes the best wonton and porridge in our home. Let's look at the ingredients. Minced pork, 4 ounces. Shrimps, 8 ounces. To make it simple, I just got the store-bought wonton wrappers. This one is the thin one. I also tried the thick one last time, which is also good. Both can be crispy, but I can tell you the difference later. Green onion, soy sauce with some oil, some seasoning. To chop up the shrimp is easy. You can pat the shrimp and then cut it into small pieces. Chop the green onions into very small pieces so it doesn't poke the wonton skin. The ratio of shrimp to pork is 2:1. Add all the seasoning, stir well, and then add the chopped green onions into it. Mix well, and then it's ready to wrap the wonton. Every wonton only needs a little bit of the filling. My daughter likes to wrap wonton, so see, she's doing a very good job. Let's see one more time how she wraps it up. Soon, she already wrapped up all the wontons. We can fry them now. Prepare 6 to 8 cloves of garlics. During the whole frying process, put the garlic clove into the oil once in a while so the oil can be refreshed, and also the wonton will have a little bit of garlic flavor. Get some kitchen towel to absorb excess oil. I use a small pot so I can save some oil. Keep the oil temperature at about 350 degrees. If the temperature is too high, the wonton will soon be burnt. And I wouldn't put too many wontons at once. Put just 4 to 6 here at a time. This wonton wrapper is really thin and there's only very little meat inside, so it doesn't take long to cook. When you see the wonton turning a little bit golden, it is done. Because the temperature of the oil is so high, it keeps cooking the wonton inside for a while after you take it out. Slowly, the wonton will turn into nice golden color. If you choose a thicker wonton wrapper, it takes a little longer to cook. The thicker wonton wrapper is puffy and crispy. I like both. This deep-fried shrimp wonton, crispy with a mouthful of shrimp flavor, it is really a good snack. It is also a good side dish when having porridge. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to give me a like, comment, share with others, and subscribe. We are going to make fish porridge in the next episode. Stay tuned. Bye.